What highly illegal thing happened at your school? We had two guys in our class who were known for constantly messing around and getting bad grades. They didn't care about school or graduating and only went because they were on the basketball team. I still remember sitting in class that day. For what seemed like no reason at all, they both decided to carry out a planned attack on one of our math teachers. They both didn't show up to class and knew when he'd be walking through the halls. They stood at the top of the stairs waiting for him, and as soon as he walked by, one of them pushed him from behind while the other stuck his leg out to trip him. We all heard the scream. He fell down all 20 steps, breaking his neck and back. Everyone rushed out of our classes to see what happened and saw the two guys just standing there. I guess they didn't think anything too serious would actually happen. An ambulance and even police showed up, and the two were immediately dragged to the office. When asked why they did this, their reason was because one of them was dropped from the basketball team for failing that teacher's math class. They decided they needed to get revenge on him, and the teacher ended up being paralyzed from the neck down. They literally ruined his life, and the craziest part was that since they were only 15, they only got sent to juvenile detention for a year.